Hello, today I would like to show you how to make your very own arpeggio on the Roland GR-30. We will be using Giuliani's right-hand studies as an example. I've chosen study number 87. I believe this is a good study because it uses quarter notes as well as 16th notes. You'll notice the quarter notes also repeat, so we can shorten the pattern and make this more concise. Today we will be using the step method described on page 60 of the Roland GR-30 handbook. This is what the grid will look like. These are our quarter notes. These are our 16th notes. In order to begin this process, we will need to choose the Edit Play button. We will then turn this dial to the Arpeggio harmony edit target. I'll then turn the parameter to A, which is Arpeggio harmony. Then I will tap the begin end button. You'll notice that it says top up here. That means we are at the top of our grid and ready to begin. We'll be using the guitar. I will need to play the A string, and I will stop it. You'll notice instead of top, it now says G01. That means the synthesizer has picked up the very first note. In order to make this a quarter note, I will need to hit the tie button and tie those 16th notes together. I've hit it 3 times in order to tie each 16th note together with that very first strike. I will then play the D string and stop it. Once again, you'll notice that instead of G04, it now says G05. That means the synthesizer has picked up that string. I'm going to repeat the process and hit the tie so that I can have another quarter note. Now, I'm going to go over to this button and hit to the top. This sends me back to the top of the grid where I can input my 16th notes over those quarter notes. The first 16th note is actually a rest, so I will play the rest button here. You'll notice it says G01. That means the first note on that grid pattern is a rest. I will then play the G, B, and E strings separately. You can tell that the synthesizer has picked up each one of those. I'm going to hit the rest button again. I'm going to play the G, B, and E strings again. Now you can tell I've filled up 8 notes, just like I did in the first pattern. I'm going to now press end. That finishes my grid. I'm going to change the tempo. It's at 72 now. We'll change it to something maybe 84. And I will write the patch. Let's see how it sounds.